Non, j'ai vu le match qu'il a joué contre Dinamo Kiev, contre Porto.
I saw the match they played against Dinamo Kiev and against Porto here. Everyone knows the history of this team in the Champions League. That's why we have to be at our best. If you want to win a Champions League match, you have to be at your best. And I hope we can do that. Play with intensity and with concentration, because these are the qualities we need to use to win.
Les qualités que nous devons utiliser pour gagner.
I asked him if he was tired. He told me he was fine and did not have any problems. So he is fine and he will play.
C'est sûr qu'on a envie de renouer avec la victoire. On a 3 points, on a envie de.
It is true that we want to win again. We have 3 points and we hope to make it 6 when we go home. It is never easy to play in the Champions League. PSG is still discovering this competition. Every game is difficult, but I think that PSG has the quality to win, even though we know it will be difficult.
La qualité pour justement l'emporter ce match, même si on sait que ça va être difficile.